Hello guys, as highly requested, this video is on hair fall and it's for all of you who are experiencing more than normal hair fall, that is more than 80 to 100 strands, which is considered absolutely normal. So it's very important that we get to the root cause first before we get to start treating it, right? So in women, hormones is usually the main culprit, and usually there's a pattern called androgenetic alopecia, that is male pattern baldness, way of hair loss, and also thyroid dysfunction. And so get a hormone test done, and if the level of DHT is elevated, then you're likely to experience thinning of hair and hair loss and like losing hair here on the temple. So it might not show up in the test sometimes that your hormones are off, but you might be experiencing something called hormonal inflammation, and we'll discuss this in some other video. And next is of course stress-induced hair loss. I mean, it's even more common now that times are so stressful and so uncertain, and a lot of people are experiencing it, and even one mental shock can be a cause of hair fall for the coming months. So please guys, think again next time you get disturbed or keep stressing on really stupid things that won't even matter down the line. So one thing to always remember: life is not happening to you, life is responding to you, and the same is the body. So what you give to the body is what you get back. So stay calm and mentally strong. Mental health is so important for our hair health as well. And diet, of course, no-brainer, can affect hair loss. And if you are deficient in important minerals, vitamins, and some trace elements such as iron, so then you're likely to experience hair fall and like the dry hair, brittle hair, weakness in hair that are more prone to breakage. And last but not the least, environmental situation. Yes, Delhi, you won't be very happy listening to this, but it's the truth. And pollution is very much impacting our skin, and scalp is no exception, and proven by many big scientists now that the PM particles, the pollution particles, that's the dust, the metal oxides, the worn out tires, so these are again the main causes. And watch out for my next video for all the tips. Thank you so much for watching.